Hello?
How are you? This is
Who's
Sherry.
this?
Sherry
leave
Armstrong.
me alone. Yeah, Sherry Armstrong, leave me alone.
I've been so lonely. Like, you have no idea. I just want someone to cuddle me.
Nigga, what? I don't care.
I thought you were coming out here to tie me up and caress my breast.
Oh, I know what this is.
You lift weights with your pussy?
Ew, no. But Angel does.
Seriously? What?
Sherry, I swear, if this is you again.
Well, retarded people need love, too.
What are you talking about?
You said that you're retarded.
Who's this?
And I said that you need love, too.
You look like you need love over here. It's a sad little life, prank calling people.
My name is Sherry.
I don't care what your name is.
You lift weights with your pussy?
No, nigga, do you lift weights with your pussy? Do you even have a pussy?
But it could be because I'm getting old. It's really hard to tell.
What the fuck are you talking about? How is that relevant to my question?
Seriously? What is it? I want to look it up. What about
Sherry,
my pussy?
bitch, bye.
What about my pussy? Well,
Your pussy,
I mean,
right? That's what's about your pussy. Bitch.
Well, I mean, I don't know if I can handle it. What's your favorite song?
Hello?
What's your favorite song of all time?
What?
That is my very favorite song ever. It's seriously like the most amazing song. You should totally Google it.
I don't know. Number one, your service is terrible because I didn't hear a word you said, but stop calling me, bitch.
I'm sorry, did I upset you?
Yeah, you did upset me, nigga, calling my phone like 800 times. Find yourself a nigga. Go on Tinder. They probably have weightlifting pussies on Tinder.
I was so excited. Like, you're really letting me down right now.
How am I letting you down? You don't know who I am. I'm underage, and you're talking about my pussy. I can call in for sexual harassment of a minor, which is worse.
I don't understand.
Girl, you don't understand.
I don't understand. You called me saying you wanted to caress my breast.
I didn't call you saying that you want to, what?
We'll play out some 50 Shades of Grey and shit.
Oh, are you white? Is that it?
I mean, first I thought you were going to, like, come over here and, like, love me up.
Are you a redneck? Did you mean to call your brother?
Are you okay?
Did you mean to call your brother? I'm not.
Sure.
Or your sister, maybe your mother.
I thought we were having a pleasant conversation.
I'm letting it go until it says, you've been pranked by blah, 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 blah.
What?
Because I've used the website before. This is a new one, you know?
I'm sorry, did I upset you?
Close the conversation, Sherry. Sherry, you keep repeating the same things over and over. Your message ain't working. You better bore me to death.
I thought you had a dick.
I don't have a dick.
Oh my God, you probably have like the most soft skin ever.
You're right, girl. My skin is soft.
I'm gonna be here all day.
No the fuck you're not, Sherry. Find a hobby. You're not about to be on the phone all day.
We'll play out some 50 Shades of Grey.
You can play off some 50 Shades of Grey with your mother. What are you talking about?
What about my pussy? I'm gonna have to find somebody else to do it.
Nothing. Okay, find someone else to help you lift weights with your pussy, girl. I don't say nothing about your pussy. The fuck?
Is it on Pornhub?
I have a friend named RJ that can show you about Pornhub. Don't ask me.
Seriously? What is it? I want to look it up.
Really? It's www.gofuckyourself.net/ take a news / use it / call me again / I'll go / and do / the Taken 3 / movie on you / ho / bye.
I was watching porn all night.
Hello?
Are you a hermaphrodite?
What?
See, that's the problem with buying a moped, that the odometer's fucked up. Hey, buddy, thanks so much for watching. This guy saw me walking like an asshole up this fucking slope, not knowing how long it was before the gasoline station was, and
4 miles down.
4? Fuck. Well, you answered my question. Say like carrying a bike, man. Oh man, I appreciate you so much. Keep in touch. You got Facebook?
Well, now I'm just really confused. Are you a hermaphrodite?
You can't finish your sentence.
They have both. I thought you had a dick.
What are you talking about?
I actually met one once.
Who prank call?
Are you a hermaphrodite?
No, what is that?
They have both.
What are you talking about?
You said that you're retarded.
You're retarded, bitch. Watch your mouth.
You know where I am. You gotta come here. I don't know where you are. I thought you were coming here.
Boy. No, ain't nobody going to your dusty ass rat house, bitch. You live in an apartment with little rats. Over here eating through your furniture, bitch. Bye.
Do you have a car?
I don't give a fuck if I have a car, bitch. No.
Oh, no. I said I don't have a car, and I asked you to come pick me up so we can go see Avengers.
The only car you gonna get is that car to off the cliff, bitch. Keep talking like that.
That sounds good?
No.
Are you okay?
Are you okay, bitch? Like, is you bored?
Okay, well, you're going to have to bring me some food, and I'm actually running out of coffee, so I might need some more coffee because I had a really late night.
Bitch, fix that website, bitch, because that shit ain't working.
I was watching porn all night, and now I'm just exhausted.
Nobody gives a fuck if you was watching porn, you fucking dirty-ass bitch.
What about my pussy?
Your pussy whack. That's what's about your pussy.
I'm going to have to find somebody else to do it.
So find somebody else. Ain't nobody want your crusty-ass whack pussy. The right.
I mean, you can come out to Yellow Cab to see me, and come out here.
No, you're not.
I've been very lonely. Come out here.
I don't give a fuck if you've been lonely, you fucking dirty-ass bitch. Stop fucking calling.
I've been so lonely. Like, you have no idea. I just want someone to cuddle
So
me.
play with your pussy. Do something. Stop calling, like.
What about my pussy?
To play with it.
I thought you were coming out here to tie me up and caress my breast.
What you mean tie you up and arrest your breast? What?
I mean, first you were, I thought you were, I thought you were gonna, like, come over here and, like, love me up.
Whose man is this?
Sherry?
Pero tú te vas a quedar con calor.
Sherry Armstrong.
Sherry Armstrong? Alright, bitch, I got you.
Is that what you said? I'm sorry, did I
over here
upset you?
calling me like you should be on the category of full helmet domination, bitch. What are you doing?
I thought we were having a pleasant conversation.
Whatever, dominatrix. No, we're not having no pleasant conversation with your dusty ass.
Definitely.
That's only shit. Fucking ratchet ass bitch. What you calling niggas for, like?
Do you have a car? Can you come here?
No. How is my car relevant to you?
What about my pussy?
What about your pussy? Like, nobody asking about your pussy, bitch. Come on.
I care about you, too.
Fuck? No, nobody care about you, though.
I need my money.
What money?
My memory fails me all the time. I think it's because I smoke too much weed.
Bitch, I don't care what you smoke.
And I said that you need love, too.
And you need a life. You need some dick. Like, do you need some dick?
Well, retarded people need love, too.
Okay, you could be retarded, bitch. Do you need some dick?
What?
Do you need some dick?
Sure.
Oh, you do need some dick. Well, bitch, we not the ones.
Oh, my God. It's amazing.
I don't give a fuck if dick is amazing for you, bitch. We not the ones.
You had me all excited. I was so excited. Like, you're really letting me down right now.
I don't give a fuck.
Okay.
Yo,
well,
yo.
Okay, well, I mean, I told you where I am.
Okay.
I thought you were coming here. Branchland Court. Come out here.
All right, can you get Cherry real quick?
Sure. I'm sorry, what?
Aaliyah. Real quick.
Come out here.
Why the fuck you moaning for, you dirty bitch?
What?
What are you moaning for?
Sherry,
Are you okay?
I'm tired of you. Definitely. Come